Is asking that the number of different n cross n symmetric matrices with each element being either 0 or 1. See, symmetric means upper and lower portion of the matrices are alike or have the same value, and it is given that power 2 comma x is 2 की power x. So first we try to design a matrix, arbitrary matrix. See, 1 comma 1 first element, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, so on so on so on, 1 comma n. Now 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 2 comma n, 3 comma 1, 4 comma 1, so on, n comma 1. This is symmetric matrices. So 3 comma 3, so on. In the last there will be n comma n. There n comma 2, n comma 3, so on. So this is our matrix. It is asking the number of different n cross n symmetric matrices. This is n cross n. See, this is diagonal line. This is diagonal line. So, and 2 comma 1, 1 comma 2 is one symmetric portion. Symmetric matrices means the value of 2 comma 1 and 1 comma 2 will be same. 1 comma 3 and 3 comma 1 is one symmetric pair. 1 comma n and n comma 1 is one symmetric pair. So the number of symmetric pair will be, total number of elements are n squared. If we subtract diagonal elements, there are n diagonal elements. From the n squared, we will have this much elements left after subtracting diagonal, and since n comma 1 and 1 comma n is single, one symmetric pair, so we will divide it by 2. So the total number of symmetric pair is n square minus n divided by 2, and total number of diagonal element is equal to n. So since it is symmetric matrices which each element can be either 0 or 1, so n comma 1 or 1 comma n at one time can be either 0 or can be either 1. So total number of matrices will be, see, first element of the diagonal line 1 comma 1 can be either 0 or 1, has two choices. Second element 2 comma 2, this has also only two choices, either it can be 0 or 1. 3 comma 3 can be either 0 or 1. N comma n means all the elements in the diagonal line having only two choices, either it can be 0 or 1. So 2 की power n into all the symmetric pairs also has only two choices, so 2 की power n square minus n divided by 2. Total number of symmetric matrices is equal to 2 की power n square plus n divided by 2. I think C is the correct answer.